Do you have a brown thumb when it comes to growing houseplants? If so, you might not be watering them properly. The most common way people kill houseplants is by overwatering them. This is Rhonda Ferree with University of Illinois Extension. It is best to look at the plant tag, book, or website to see individual plant types for their watering needs. Typically, you will see the following descriptions under water requirements. A heavy waterer means that you keep the soil moist but not soggy. Medium and moderate, we water thoroughly and then allow either the surface or the soil area to dry. And light watering means that we lightly moisten the soil around the roots and then allow the soil to dry thoroughly. Many factors influence the frequency of watering. In these two examples, one on the left has been watered well and the one on the right has been left to dry out. You can see a difference in color. You can also see a difference in how it feels. So you can see the one on the right is very dry and loose, and so it will need watered, whereas the one on the left is very wet and soggy. I can make an indentation with my finger. I can actually pick up that soil and it will hold together and not fall apart like you saw in that other example. One watering method is sub-irrigation, where you water the plant from the bottom and then let the soil soak it up as it needs it. You could water it by soaking it in the sink or put it in a saucer. This African violet pot holds the water in the base and the plant soaks it up as it needs it. Now I'll show you how to water a philodendron from the top. Water it well until it starts to come through the drainage hole at the bottom. I want to make sure that I fill the entire column of the soil with water. See how it's starting to drip there? Because then I'll have roots in the entire area. If I just water the top, I'm just going to have roots at the top where the water is. So then I'll just let that drain. That's why I have a saucer. And then once it's finished draining, I'll dump that saucer out. And I'll let it go until it dries out again, and then I'll water that plant again. Houseplants are really just another type of pet. Learn how much water your plants need and you'll keep them healthy for years to come. You can find more information at our University of Illinois Extension website shown here, or you can post questions and see other gardening tips at one of my IL River Hort social media sites serving Fulton, Mason, Peoria, and Tazewell counties.